Namaste. Hi, I'm Yani from Bulgaria and have undergone the 200 days yoga teachers training at yoga faculty in the most serene place, Dharamsala. I heard a lot about this institution through some friends of mine. The teaching techniques taught at this institute have been the driving force for me to enroll myself with this noble training. During this training, I experienced a whole lot of transformation within myself. And now I handle every situation with a different approach and with great humility. I would like to appreciate Mr. Shail and the entire team for initiating this giant pious service, because yoga faculty is not what happened to Mr. Shail, but is what he chose to do. And the honest desire shows it all in the way the entire program was conducted.